All right, y'all, so for all of you guys who are kind of new to my channel, we've been building this cabin for the past 4 years. And when I say we, I mean me and my dad. You guys have seen the entire exterior get built and some of the inside. The cabin is done. It's officially 100% done. So today I'm just gonna show that to you. I feel like because you guys have seen the entire exterior build, and low-key this is the build that like started my channel, we're gonna do a full tour and show it to you when it's all done. Obviously, y'all know we have the actual cabin, the frame, the green windows, this huge walk-around deck. We put up a bunch of solar lights, which are really cool. It looks really cool at night. We've got the covered porch out, and then the front door. This is where y'all are gonna be excited about. Ta-da! We ended up going with this black slate flooring, and then obviously full kitchen. This is, I think, hickory cabinets, which are really nice. They're finished on the inside too. We have nice concrete countertops. My dad poured these. Big sink, dishwasher, some shelves in there, which I really like. Then obviously this massive common room with that chandelier and this fan, along with the loft up there. So then from there we have the steps, which leads up to the loft. And then we have the loft up here, which this is like my favorite spot because you can look out, see outside through these windows, all there, all the natural light, then all the fake lights. Come in here, this is the master bedroom. We have a fan, everything in here. It looks really cool. Then the bathrooms, you guys also haven't seen the bathrooms at all. There's 2 tubs and there's 2 full bathrooms. This one all the way up, tile carried up, down. These vanities match in the kitchen. And then if we keep on walking from the kitchen, we have obviously the downstairs, but the same exact identical bathroom. Bedroom number 1, which has closets, and bedroom number 2. Now we'll head downstairs. Finished staircase and all right here. Then the landing is tiled. And then we have this giant room down here, which is really nice. I like it. It's got, if you guys remember this beam, we screwed it all together, mounted it, put it together, and yeah, this is all textured drywall down here. So it's not fully sanded. You can see it's textured. In here we have the main room. This is where it all started. Washer and dryer hookups right there. And this is where everything runs. If you guys remember, we were putting all this in. That's the clean out. This is where the well comes in. This box under here, this drain. We did that when pouring concrete. Tankless hot water heater. This is just another closet. And then we have the big bedroom in the basement. I just feel like y'all would like to see all this and see how it's progressed. I'll post like a giant, like probably 2-hour long time lapse of the entire thing getting built. And yeah, I mean, you guys have always liked this cabin. You've liked seeing the cabin, and a lot of you love this cabin, just like we do. So yeah, thanks for watching, and look for some new videos coming out soon. Now our septic clean out is here. I do actually have to go now. See ya. Walk.